Welcome to Biology. 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 Biology.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Beehive. So guys, I am officially on the way to Savannah, Georgia. So guys, if you would like to know where I am going in Savannah, Georgia, and if you know me and if you have been a rocker with me on my channel, you know kind of like what I like as far as home decor. So you can kind of like guess where I am going. And that is, guys, HomeGoods. So it's a 2.5 hour drive there from my location. So guys, I will see you when we have probably about an hour and 20 more minutes on the road now. So we've been riding for a while. So guys, when we get there, I will let you know that we're in Savannah. So see when we get there. Okay guys, we are still on the road. In 2.8 miles, we found out there is a HomeGoods in Pooler, Georgia, which I have heard so much about Pooler, Georgia. One of my other YouTube sisters, Simply Monique, she is in that area, Savannah, Pooler area, I think. And also my best friend is in Pooler, Georgia. But I am not going to visit anyone. I am going to do what I got to do because I have another 2 hour and 30 minute drive back. So, okay, I got 2.1 miles and I'll be in Pooler, Georgia. So I'm gonna take y'all into that HomeGoods, and then after that we're like it's like 8 miles or so to go to Savannah. So we will be going to Savannah and also eating at Savannah. So I don't know any places to eat in Savannah, but we're gonna find somewhere. So this is more of a get out to relax and chill, and my baby girl is with me, of course. So guys, but yeah, here's the sign. Go hard, go home. Okay guys, so that was the Pooler. So we have made it to Pooler, Georgia. Never been here ever before. So guys, Pooler, Georgia, way I'm going is Pooler Parkway, and it is exit 155 if you're off of I-520, I think it is. So I am now turning home.
Go hard, go home, go hard, go hard, go home, go hard, go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go home, go hard, go home. Yeah, these championship rings on my hands now. In my head I'm top 10, yeah, that's hands down. You a squad, now you're looking man down. Funny how foes turn to friends now. Drive a race car like a Atari now. Call filling up, I need product again. Treat the business like a playground, might slide on you. Do me wrong, might slide on you. Do a backflip, cause I'm mad rich. I'm the definition of what that is. Go hard, go home, go hard, go home, go hard, go home, go hard, go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go home, go hard, go home. I'm a warrior, I go back to back, then go back to back. If I top the top, then I double back and I'm topping that. Yeah, I beat my own records. Yeah, I gotta get money fetish. Same team, I don't set trip. Never dull, this electric. Went and put the Ricks on my toes. Me and bro, that's the give and go. Stay 100, end zone, keep them coming. I know. I won't flood my wrist, no, I'm not dumb like that. No. I just wanna give my mama 100 racks. Go hard, go home, go hard, go home, go hard, go home, go hard, go home. Touchdown like the end zone. When the circle turn to my home, can't get me out of my zone. Go hard, go home, go hard, go home. Go
I'm looking for. It has the lampshade and it's $50, but I did see this lamp in the at-home store and it's without the lampshade for $39. So I think I'm gonna do the one without the lampshade because I have lampshades. Thank you for watching.